Are you looking for ways to unlock the network or carrier of your Samsung Galaxy A54 phone? If yes, you are in the right place. In this video, I am going to explain how to unlock Samsung Galaxy A54 phone's carrier, SIM, pattern, and recover forgotten passwords. I will also demonstrate how to perform a hard reset. I kindly request you to watch this video in its entirety without skipping any parts and follow the instructions step by step. Skipping this video may cause you to miss important steps, which could lead to difficulties in unlocking your Samsung Galaxy A54 phone. Without further delay, let's begin. Step 1. Visit unlocking360.com website. Step 2. Select your manufacturer. Step 3. Select your phone model. Step 4. Click on Unlock Now button. Step 5. Enter the mobile's IMEI number. The IMEI code is a 15 to 17-digit number unique to your phone, which you can obtain by typing *#06# followed by the call key. Step 6. Enter your email ID on which you will get your unlock code. Step 7. Select country name. Step 8. Select the current network your phone which is locked. Do not select the network you want to use. Step 9. Click on Submit button. Step 10. You will get order status notification on your email ID. Once the code is generated, unlocking360.com support team will send your unlock code on your email ID. If the free unlock code available for your device, you will get your unlock code on your email ID instantly. If the free unlock code is not available for your device, you will have to pay for the unlock code. After receiving unlock code, you need to follow following instruction to enter the unlock code. Step 1. Insert SIM card from a source different than your original service provider. If you have a Rogers phone, use a non-Rogers SIM card. Step 2. Phone will ask you to enter SIM unlock PIN. Step 3. Enter unlock code. Step 4. Phone will be unlocked. If you find any difficulty to unlock your phone, please comment below in the comment box. We will help you. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel to get update about any carrier unlock and get any SIM unlock code. Do you know what are benefits of unlocking a phone? There are many benefits of unlocking your phone. Benefit 1. Freedom from network. The first and foremost benefit of unlocking your phone is that you won't be bound to any specific network anymore. You can freely change your network operator and enjoy the services. Benefit 2. No contracts. When a seller sells you a phone with a contract, it is primarily to ensure that the company ends up making more money. And the best part is you can get the same plan on your phone even after unlocking it. Hence, by unlocking your phone, you can get rid of a contract. Benefit 3. Hassle-free travel. When you're traveling overseas and have a locked phone with you, you're going to rack up massive roaming charges. Once you've got your phone unlocked, you can use any of the local SIMs from the country you are traveling to and you are sorted. Now, in the next part of this video, we will show you the methods to unlock the pattern lock, PIN password lock, smart lock, and hard lock. These methods are the same for all Samsung phones, whether you have an older model or any newly launched Samsung phone. Take a look at the 3 recommended methods to recover a forgotten password or PIN unlock, pattern unlock, smart lock, or hard reset, and follow the instructions step by step. Method 1. Using Samsung's Find My Mobile feature. The first method we're going to cover is using Samsung's Find My Mobile feature. This is a handy feature that lets you remotely unlock your device. To use this feature, you need to have set up a Samsung account and enabled the Find My Mobile feature on your device before you got locked out. First, go to the Samsung Find My Mobile website on your computer and log in with your Samsung account. Then, select your device from the list of registered devices and click on the Unlock Screen option. Follow the on-screen instructions to unlock your device. Method 2. Using Google's Find My Device feature. The second method is using Google's Find My Device feature. This feature is similar to Samsung's Find My Mobile and lets you remotely unlock your device. To use this feature, you need to have a Google account and have enabled the Find My Device feature on your device before getting locked out. First, go to the Google Find My Device website on your computer and log in with your Google account. Then, select your device from the list of registered devices and click on the lock option. Enter a new password and click on lock again to unlock your device. Method 3. Using recovery mode. The third method is using recovery mode. This method will erase all the data on your device, so make sure you have a backup of your important data before proceeding. First, turn off your device. Then, press and hold the volume up, power, and home buttons simultaneously until the Samsung logo appears on the screen. Release the power button, but keep holding the volume up and home buttons until the recovery mode menu appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Data Factory Reset option, and select it using the power button. Confirm the reset and wait for the process to complete. And that's it, guys. These are 3 methods to unlock your Samsung screen lock. Hopefully, you were able to unlock your device using one of these methods. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know which method worked for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.